Hello everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about a very important topic from static GK point of view, and the topic is your genetically modified crop improvement achievements in different crops. Particularly we will discuss about three crops. What are those? First one is your cotton, then is your mustard, then is your rice. According to this book Namrata Sunda, these three things I am covering. Okay, three crops are there. About those will discuss about your genetically modified crop improvement things, achievements. Okay, so without wasting time, let's begin. The first one is, what is genetically modified crops? We have to understand first. What is that? The crop in which one or many of its traits are altered or enhanced through a process of genetic engineering is known as what? Your GM crop, that is your genetically modified crops. For example, BT cotton, Bacillus thuringiensis cotton, develop against cotton bollworm complex. Okay, so what it is telling you, see, suppose a plant is there. On this plant, what is happening? Some pests are coming, some diseases are coming. Some alternation we will do in this particular plant. We will bring some desirable gene in this plant, so that what this gene will do, it will confer resistance, or it will have some negative impact on this pest. It may be insect, it may be diseases, it may be whatever. Okay, so we have altered the genetical constituent of the plant, that is known as genetic engineering, or you can tell biotechnology approach, you can tell modified gene of the plant. Yes or no? Biotechnological approach. This is known as what? Your genetically modified crops, or you can tell transgenic plant. Transgene, the gene has been, the desirable gene has been transferred inside the plant, which is having some negative impact on the pest, you can tell, it may be insect diseases, whatever, or maybe or some other climatic situations. Okay, this is known as what? Your genetically modified plants or transgenic plants. Okay, so now coming to particularly of cotton. In cotton, what happens? You see, there is a cotton bollworm complex. So you see what happens in case of this cotton plant, there is a bollworm complex. Three bollworms are there. One is American bollworm, the most famous one, you know, Helicoverpa armigera. Second one is a spotted bollworm, okay, that is SBW, ARS betella, ARS insulana, two scientific species are there. Then your pink bollworm, that is your Pectinophora gossypiella. Okay, so here what happens, the caterpillars are there, they come and they cause damage to the bole of the cotton. Okay, so for this chewing insect, what happened? This genetically modified crops has been developed. They were very devastating. So much loss they have caused to the cotton plant. So for that, what happened? This particularly transgenic crop of the cotton has been developed. Okay. Now coming to the portion, this Bacillus thuringiensis, it is a bacteria, a soil bacterium that produces protein, that is your delta endotoxin. Okay, delta endotoxin, that is one endospore, you can tell, or that is a protein, toxin protein, lethal to the insect larva. Mainly their midgut will be affected. Okay, specifically your Lepidopteran larva, which affect the digestive system of the bollworm, highly alkaline pH digestive system of the bollworms. The gene is responsible for this effect is Cry1SC. Very, very important point. It may come in the exam specifically from entomological point of view. Cry1SC gene is responsible for this particular effect on this particular larva. Okay, you see, if you want more specific video on this particular topic, you can give comment box. We will discuss more properly from entomology point of view. You see, GM cotton, the genetically modified cotton, is only crop permitted by GESC. What is GESC? GESC, very, very important. Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. Very, very important. Note it down. Okay, GESC. Under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. In India, BT cotton is first permitted on March 2002. Okay, so why, you can tell why it is only permitted? Because cotton is what? Your fiber crop. It is not consumable. That's why it is easily permitted. But if you see this brinjal and all, then some contradiction are there that it may affect the human being body also. Okay, but cotton no issues, that is a fiber, so easily that is used. Then you see BT cotton varieties developed by Mahaiko company, that is your MEC 12, MEC 162, MEC 184 for southern state. But for northern Indian states, what happened? RCH 134, RCH 138, these are suitable for North Indian climatic condition for cotton growing. Okay, so these are your cotton variety by which company? Mahaiko. Then you see in world, first generation BT cotton was came in 1996 and known as Bolgard 1. In this Bolgard, you see Mahaiko collaborated with company Monsanto to develop BT variety, that is your Bolgard 1, using two gene, here only one gene, that is your Cry1SC. What is that? Cry1SC. Next you see recently what happened, that I wanted to tell. BT cotton variety develops Bolgard 2 having both the genes. What are those? Cry1SC, then your Cry2AB. Okay, in 2006, which is known as second generation of BT cotton. Bolgard 1 is first generation, second generation is Bolgard 2. In Bolgard, Cry1SC is used. In Bolgard 2, Cry1SC and Cry2AB gene is used. Here some static GK are there. You see first transgenic crop developed is your what? BT tobacco in 1987. Country having first position for transgenic plant is your USA. Position of India for transgenic plant is 5th number. First is USA, then Brazil, then Argentina, then Canada, then your India. Then you see the position of transgenic plant in the world, which is having highest transgenic plant, that is your soybean, followed by maize, then cotton, then canola. So what you need to remember, first BT plant is tobacco. In world, which is first, that is your USA. India rank 5th position. Soybean is the highest growing your transgenic plant, followed by maize, cotton and canola. Mostly GM traits are used as herbicide resistant traits, followed by quality improvement and insecticide resistant traits. Okay. So this is, you see, all about your genetically modified cotton. Okay, this is the part 1 of this video. In part 2 we will discuss about mustard and rice. Okay, so if you like the video, then please give a comment in the comment box, and if you need any more further suggestion or more further clarity, then you can ask in the comment box. You see, regarding this particular Cry1 gene and specificity towards different order of the insect, so many things are there. If you want that one, please give the comment. Okay, I will try to make that video, and we will meet in the next part, okay, regarding mustard and rice. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.